Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel PT Tips and Tricks by Dr. Raswin Kaur. Today I am discuss with you some website which is very useful for your PT exam. So guys, first of all subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and without wasting any time, let's start. You see the screen guys, AP Uni and Real PT. This website is very useful for your PT exam. You know PT is a reason of test of English. Okay guys, it is computer based test. You should do practice a lot from this website. This website is very useful. You see the screen AP Uni. First of all, I will discuss about AP Uni. AP Uni is very useful guys. I say again and again, this website is very useful. I did lot of score from using this website. All the material will be repeated from this website, like speaking, writing, reading, listening. According to my experience, 85% material repeated in this exam. So guys, in the brief, I will discuss about like speaking sections, read aloud, repeat sentence, describe amaze, and written lecture, short questions answer. You see the screen, repeat average 60% repeats, read aloud, 60% repeat sentence which will be repeated from this website guys. Describe amaze, written lecture, and short questions and answer. Okay, and reading sections, MCQ, single answer, MCQ, multiple questions, reorder paragraphs, and filling the blanks, and filling blanks, writing and reading, which is very effective. Third one is listening, summarize spoken test, MCQ answers, and MCQ multiple question and single answer also there. Filling the blanks, highlight summary, and select missing words, highlight incorrect words, and write for dictation. You see the screen, 99% repeated from this website guys. You can do the practice from this website. This is very effective result. Okay guys, and the next one website is, I can check on my screen, Real PT. Real PT is very you can say again, very helpful for your guys. You can do practice from this website, same module, speaking, reading, writing, okay, listening. You can do practice from this website. This website is very useful for your practice. You can do practice without any hesitation, without any inconvenient resources. You should follow these type of sources which are valid, which is repeated again and again in your exam. Okay guys, and next one is, I follow PT tool. PT tool is very useful for your writing section. You did check your writing from this website. Okay guys, I did check my writing from these sections. Summarize written text, I did practice a lot from this website. I got 75 band in my PT exam. So guys, you can do it. You can achieve your desirable score following these 2-3 websites. This 3 website is very useful guys. First, go to the Play Store and download the 3 websites, the 3 section PT material also, and this app is very useful. You should download 3 apps in your Android phone and do a practice lot at home. You should practice according to my experience 6 hours daily in your routine. It is very useful once again and again. So guys, thank you so much. If you like my video, then share it to your friend and family circle also, and subscribe it. And if you have any question and doubt, you should contact me and comment below section, and press the bell icon, and you will receive the notification when I will make a new video. So guys, thank you so much.